Assalamu alaikum and hello friends. Welcome to another episode from IELTS with Ibrahim series. In today's video, I am going to share some important tips about IELTS listening module. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Without wasting more time, I am going to directly start with the tips. The tip number 1 is about your hearing problems. If you have any issue with your hearing, then remember that it's your duty to inform the examination staff before starting your IELTS exam. Furthermore, if you are a normal person but you have any sort of hearing issue with the speakers or with the headphones and you are unable to hear the audio clearly, then let a member of staff know it straight away. The tip number 2 is always read the instructions carefully because they might be different from your practice material or the test which you have seen earlier. Tip number 3. Always listen for specific information because you are there to answer some specific questions. So every word of the recording will not be important for you. Tip number 4. While listening to the recording, always try to make a guess about what the speaker will say next, because in this way you will have a better guess about the answers. This task will require your concentration, but ultimately it will help in getting good scores. Tip number 5. During your listening test, you will encounter many different difficult words which you might not have heard of, but remember that you might not need to use them in your answer. Such words are used during exam in order to test your ability. Tip number 6. Whether you know the answer to the question or not, always attempt it and do not waste your time, because there is no negative marking in IELTS exam. The more time you save, the better you will perform. Tip number 7. Always be careful with your spellings and grammar. Even if you make a minor mistake of a spelling, your whole answer will be considered incorrect. Tip number 8. Never get panicked if the speaker is speaking too fast or the topic is too difficult for you. You should remain relaxed because you are always looking for a specific information, and the speed of speaker and the difficulty of the topic are always there to test you. Tip number 9. While attempting the IELTS exam, you should do 3 things at the same time. You read, write and listen at the same time, because only then you will be able to score better. Tip number 10. Always pay attention to the word limit. If you are asked to complete a sentence by writing no more than 2 words, then always write 2 words. But first understand how you will count your words. For example, if the correct answer is cotton cap, but you write the answer cap made of cotton, then your answer would be incorrect, because cotton cap are 2 words and cap made of cotton are actually 4 words. Tip number 11. If you use hyphen between 2 words, then those 2 words will become one. For example, you write nowadays without hyphen. It means there are 3 words. But if you write nowadays with hyphens among now, a and days, then it will become one word. Tip number 12. Always avoid repetition of words. For example, if the question asks you to complete the note in the dash and the correct answer is afternoon, note that writing in the afternoon would be incorrect. The correct answer will be only the word afternoon.